Hi YouTube, welcome back to yet another episode of InfluencerSoft Shorts. If this is your first time, welcome to the channel where I give bite-sized, digestible, and actionable morsels of information surrounding affiliate marketing and their tools. I'm your host Brent, and in today's episode of InfluencerSoft Shorts, we have a quick one for you. You might be wondering, okay, I have an idea of how to make money and how to loosely set up a funnel inside InfluencerSoft, but how do I accept payments through the InfluencerSoft platform? This video closely ties in with another InfluencerSoft short I made recently on how to set up payment pages inside InfluencerSoft. Link is in the description below, or click on the card on the top right of this video and go straight to that one if you've already integrated your Stripe account into InfluencerSoft. Otherwise, stick around. Continuing on, let's go to the first step, and that is to set up a Stripe account. If you haven't already done that, head over to stripe.com and create yourself a free account. The way Stripe makes money is by taking a small percentage of every transaction that is made. So the account to create it, while it's free, obviously you do pay for the service via whatever transactions are made from a purchaser or a buyer. Step 2, log in into your InfluencerSoft account and go to the store tab on the left menu. So I have InfluencerSoft.com laid out here. I'm going to log in. All right, so now that I'm logged in, I want to go to the store tab on the left, right here. And secondly, I want to go to the settings tab. That is step number 3 on the top, right over here. Now, step number 4, you'll see right on the payment method, the first tab that's open up by default, there's called a Stripe account or Stripe integration. And you'll see here that it's not connected. I had to disconnect it first to be able to show you guys in this video of how to connect your account. So now that step 4 is done, step 5 would be to click on that orange button right here that says connect. And now we can enter in your email address, or enter in your email address that you've used to create within your Stripe account. Likewise, it's going to ask you for the password. And if you had set up double authentication, it will send you a notification either via phone or email. You just have to type in this double authentication passcode that was sent to you. I'm going to do that right now. And then you would then select the account that you just created that you want to link to your InfluencerSoft account as well. So click on connect. And that's pretty much it. You should be getting a successful confirmation page that looks exactly like this over here. You have connected your Stripe account payment method. And now you can go back to your store settings, and now that you should see where the orange connect button was. You should see now adjust the status toggle switch off and on. You can go ahead and turn the integration on or off. Moreover, if you need to refresh the account, so disconnect totally from your Stripe account, you just press this button here and that will reset everything. And then if you want to reconnect your Stripe, you'd have to go through the same process or the same steps that we just outlined. And so that's pretty much it. Simple and easy. You can now start accepting payments through your website or funnels within your InfluencerSoft account. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Setting up a Stripe account is pretty crucial to getting paid. So it's a very necessary step. And if you like this sort of content where I dissect the beast that InfluencerSoft is into small digestible pieces, hit up that like and subscribe button, or not, totally up to you. And if you have any quick topics that you'd like to see on InfluencerSoft, hit me up with a comment below and I'll add it to my list. In the meantime, check out my other InfluencerSoft short videos linked in the description below or the cards either here or there on the sides. I'll see you on the next video. Until then, this is Brent telling you to stay straight, stay true, and most importantly, never give up.